Hi everyone, I'm here with another airdrop. This one is calling Binance Finance, and I will show you how to collect 700 BNBF token in our Trust wallet. The first thing you must do, open your Trust wallet, go to the dapp browser. From the description below, copy and paste airdrop address in here. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. Now click this claim BNBF. Now click this claim airdrop. We see here that something we will pay for the tokens and a small amount of fee. So now you can choose to approve. I will not claim it because I already claimed it and I have in my wallet. So if you approve, wait a few seconds to see if the transaction go through. Now you can copy contract address from the Binance Smartchain network, Binance Smartchain scan, or you can copy and paste it from my description below the video. So click this. This is token tracker. You can see how many total supply of BNBF, how many holders, how many transfer. So everything you must do, click this to copy contract address. Now go back to wallet. Click this wallet. Now click this to add token. Now you can copy from the Binance Smartchain scan, or you can copy from the description below and paste it in here to see if the token is already added. You see the token is not added, so we must add it. Custom token, click this. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. And click this paste. And we see that the token was automatically added. Now click this done to see BNBF token in our wallet. We see here 700 BNBF token in our wallet. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next airdrop. Bye.